Hi, I'm Adam Da Silva. I'm doing Duck Done Easy for catering, and this is my Mediterranean duck. First thing I'm going to do is, for my Mediterranean roasted duck leg here, is I'm going to make the marinade. Simple, beautiful sage, thyme, you can even use rosemary, oregano, any hard herb, garlic, and chop them up nice and finely because you want them nice and fine so when you eat them, they're very palatable. Thyme, love thyme, make sure you wash your herbs, people don't wash thyme. And then I'm going to zest my lemon here with a fine microplane, just to get all the nice, really citrusy, yellowy stuff off it. But then I'm going to cut the lemon and then into quarters, and then I'm going to put that in with the duck because then what happens is it just roasts all that lemon. It's delicious, and then you squeeze all that lemon out and it creates a sauce in itself. Then I'm going to put that all in a bowl, and the thing is I actually like to let my duck sit seasoned with some salt for at least an hour, and that way it penetrates the flesh and makes it even tastier. So now we've marinated the duck, beautiful, you can smell it, the lemon, the herbs, the garlic. Place it in the tray, skin side up. Very important, always skin side up when roasting or braising the duck. And then we pour some stock in here, vegetable stock, chicken stock, anything like that. So it's just kind of swimming in it. So it's going to go into a moderate oven for about an hour and a half until it's nice and golden and crispy. So the duck legs are looking amazing, crispy, nice crispy skin there, and they smell fantastic. So now, to serve with it, I've got some beautiful green beans which have been blanched in salted water. Still nice and crunchy because it's got this really rich, fatty, crunchy skin. You want something clean to break it up a bit. Some roast potatoes if you need, or any type of starch. And then we've got our beautiful duck leg here, and you can use that sauce here. You've got a beautiful sauce with all the garlic in it and the lemon. You got these lemons here, we can just squeeze all the flesh out onto the duck as well as our sauce. And then we have a little salad of pickled fennel and some mint leaves. You can use any type of pickled vegetables. So I think you really need that really acidic contrast with the duck. And there you have it, Mediterranean roasted duck legs there, beautiful fresh green beans and a nice little salad. It's a one tray wonder. You can have it anytime and anywhere.